Okay, this next video is how to plan for true success. I hope you love this. Okay, so what you want to do when you are working on your day is, first of all, you want to start out with your intention for the day. Like today, maybe I want to feel happy and satisfied. I generally like to write down the feeling, what it is I want to do. You know, a lot of times people think that their goal or their intention is to make $1 million. You know, well, why do they want $1 million? Well, so that people will think they're wonderful. Why do they want people to feel they're wonderful? Well, because they want to feel accepted. You know, when you get down to it, what they really want is they want to feel accepted. They want to feel valued. So jump into whatever feeling it is that you would like to have and make that your intention for the day. How would I like to feel? At the end of the day, I'd like to feel happy and satisfied. Again, I change it up. I have different intentions each day, and I leave my planner open on my desk so that I could look at it and go, okay, what is it that I wanted to feel? Then I write down my purpose. So my purpose is to, help others find and fulfill. So, like, my purpose is to help others find and fulfill their purposes. Because if you are living your purpose, if I have somehow helped you do that, then together we are making more of an impact. We're sharing our gifts and our talents. It's great. We talked a little bit about the power hour, well, the prayer and the post-game or pre-game power hour. Sorry, I'm kind of stumbling over my words right here. Because actually, what we're talking about right now is this section and how to use this to plan out your day. So after I've done these things, after I've figured out what I want to do from my morning routine that day, I jump into how I'm feeling right now. I take an assessment. And maybe I'm feeling nervous because I'm in front of a camera. Or maybe I'm feeling joyful because I just was manifesting some stuff. Or, maybe I'm feeling anxious about a looming deadline or whatever. I write that down, and if it's something negative, that points out that it's something that you can shift. Don't worry about negative stuff. Don't put on rose-colored glasses. Pay attention to the negative stuff because it will tell you where you want to have change in your life. So you write about that, then you list 3 things going right in your life right now. So I can put the videos are recording. Anyway, you list out 3 things going right in your life right now, and then you jump into your top life priorities. So here I put family, and then I put purpose a lot of times. Maybe you want to put health. Maybe health is a top priority, and then what a third? Well, I'll put health. And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to write down, what am I going to do today to prove that they are priorities? For my family, I'm going to do 3 compliments to each one. For my purpose, I'm going to record these videos. For health, I don't know, maybe today I'm going to drink more water. Then what you do is you take what you've written down here in your priorities and you jump up here and you either put it into the schedule today, like maybe at noon, that's when I'm going to compliment. So I'm going to send texts. Or maybe I have maybe there's other things that are going to happen. I've got a 2:00 meeting, that I need to work into. But I want to use my top priorities and I want to populate then today's schedule as well as my to-do list. So let's see, the recording the videos, that's down here. And then drink more water, that's in my to-do list. And then I can also add other things that tie in here. Maybe there are deadlines that I need to do. But what happens here is my day now starts out with the things that are most meaningful for me, the things that I really care about. And it's not driven by deadlines. It's not driven by obligations. It's not driven by things that I feel like I have to do. That then puts me into a victim mindset where I feel obligated. I feel like I'm, at the whim of a schedule or an employer or something. now I'm in charge of what I truly want to accomplish this day. And that's how you become truly successful. Because if you are accomplishing the things that you set out to do and they are things that are meaningful to you, that's when you're going to feel happy and valued and you feel like your life is making a difference. So that's kind of how you do it. You start with this area and you use this area to then populate your schedule. Only you are in charge of your calendar. Only you are in charge of your money. And I forget what the other thing was. Anyway, but your time, your calendar, that's what you do. And if you allow other things to then be in charge, then you're not going to feel very in charge. You're not going to feel like your life is going the way that you want. You want to live by design, not by default. And by default is to just get up and do the things that you feel other people are expecting you to do. When you do what you plan and design, that's when you make the difference. So if you want to plan for success, that's the way you do it.